something that diggers do best.
I bet you can climb trees, huh, Tigger?
Climb trees? That's what chickens do best. Only chickens don't climb trees, they bounce them. Come on, let's go. I almost bounced clear out of the book. Some bouncing, huh?
Say, how did this tree get so high? Hey,
What's happening now?
Don't swing on this tree. It's much too frail. The best kind of swing is a tiger's tail. Whee!
Stop, I can't believe. S-T-O-P, stop. You're wrecking the forest.
What's the matter, Tigger?
Oh, thank goodness. I was just getting seasick from